Hi everyone. Let me quickly show you a quick demo of what VaaniEval does with your voice agents. So the first thing that you can do on VaaniEval is you can go to our agents portal and you can import your agents which are built on different platforms like 11 Labs, Vapi, Bolna, and these are the current ones which are supported, but we are going to support more in the future. So you can just import your agents over here and you can see the list of your agents here. And then you can also import the conversations of these agents like this. And then you can view the scores for all your conversation, like how the conversations are performing one by one, which ones need attention. Like I can clearly see that this call needs attention, this one also needs an attention. For every conversation on VaaniEval portal, you can see how they performed on these four metrics. Like these are the top metrics which we track: task completion, intent understanding, human-like delivery, required info capture, and it'll give you a rationale for the score as well. Okay, then you can also listen to the call here. You can look at the transcript and then decide what happened. All those things which your provider provides, you can see it here. And then the most important thing is you can also control these rubrics. Like the task completion will be different for different users. Like if I'm a hotel reservation, if I'm building a hotel reservation agent, my task completion will be different as compared to a normal reminder call agent, right? So I can control that over here. Like I can go to my rubric section. This is the default evaluation criteria for task completion. This is the one for intent understanding. Similarly for all these things. So what I want, let's say I want to control the task completion of hotel reservation agent. I can just go there. I can write my own logic here, and then I can test my test my agents or conversations using this new metric that I have just defined. And then apart from looking at individual conversation, you can also look at a dashboard which will provide you an overall view of how your conversations are performing on production. Like you can switch to last 30 days and see what are the top priority review queue, like which calls you need to review on priority. Then like how your calls are performing, right? And then you can also look at the agent's performance, like which agent is performing good or bad. You can see all the scores here. Then you can also look at the trends here, like how the QA pass rate is decreasing, increasing, call duration is increasing or decreasing. Everything is visible here. And so, yeah, this is all about the first version of VaaniEval. I think if you think a feature is missing, feel free to go to our GitHub and create an issue, or you can also raise a request here in the chat. I will be happy to help you do this setup. This whole thing is completely free. You just need to add your API keys to import your conversation. You just need to add your OpenAI API key to for evaluation, and everything else will be done by VaaniEval. And this is the open source project. I will quickly show it here, right? So this is the open source project. Make sure you start it. And you can always feel free to raise an issue here if you think uh, there is a feature which you think is required. I'll be happy to add that feature in a day or two. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this.